All right, we're working some more on supplementary angles. If you notice, again, supplementary adds to 180. And in this case, we have two expressions. We have this piece here and this piece here. So we are going to add those two together because, again, those two angles add to be the straight line, which is 180. So 2p plus 147 plus 5p plus 103 equals 180. So again, don't call me after midnight. We don't see any distributive property, so that's out. Combining like terms, we do have that. So we have 2p and 5p. Remember to keep the sign with it. So 5 and 2 is 7. Keep the p. And then we're going to also combine our like terms with 147 plus 103. So 147 plus 103 is 250 equals 180. So we combine like terms, move the smaller variable. I don't have a variable on the other side, so I don't have to do that. And now we're down to a two-step equation. And again, this is addition or subtraction. So to move it across the equal sign, we have to do the opposite. That's how we get rid of addition for positive numbers. So it leaves me 7p equals 180 minus 250. Oops. Is 70, negative 70. And then we're going to divide by 7. That's what the midnight part is. Multiply or divide. And negative 70 divided by 7 is negative 10. Okay. It wants to find the measure of TMF. So TMF is this one. So we're going to substitute that in. 2 times negative 10 plus 147. Well, 2 times negative 10 is negative 20. Oops, 147, which gets us 127. And that's all it wants for that one. Okay. So again, supplementary, they add up to be 180. So we have 8m plus 132 plus 8m plus 128 equals 180. Now again, could you shorten this up and just automatically combine these two without having to write that all out if you want? Sure. 8 and 8 is 16m. And then 132 plus 128 is 260. And it equals a straight line, which is 180. Okay, so if you'd rather like just combine them and go straight to here, you could do that as well. Just depends on how confident you feel with the content. So again, we're gonna, don't call me after midnight. Didn't have any distributing. We combined like terms. There's no variables on both sides. Now we're getting rid of addition or subtraction. So we're gonna get rid of, wow, my hand is just writing things it's not supposed to. We're going to get rid of our constant by addition or subtraction. So minus 260. And that means 180 minus 260 is negative 80. And then we're going to divide, because that's what this is, multiply or divide by 16. So negative 180 divided by 16 equals negative 5. And it wants to know the measure of KHP. So KHP is this one. So we're going to substitute that in. 8 times m, which is negative 5, plus 128. So that's negative 40 plus 128 is 88. Okay, so hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, reach out. Other than that, you got 10 points, get more math.